Nokia, the most trusted phone brand, is back with a bang. If you're looking for a mind-blowing 5G smartphone in the mid-budget range, Nokia has just dropped an absolute beast for you. Packed with a 200-megapixel camera, a powerful Snapdragon 8s Gen 4 processor, and premium features at an unbeatable price, meet the Nokia Champion Max 5G. Want to know more? Stick around till the end, because in this video, we're diving deep into its fully leaked specs, price, and launch date. So let's start. Features of Nokia Champion Max 5G. Display. This beast flaunts a massive 6.87-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display, with 1.5K resolution, buttery smooth 144 Hz refresh rate, and a lightning-fast 410 Hz touch sampling rate. Plus, it comes with an in-display fingerprint sensor for that premium feel. Camera setup. Now, let's talk about the camera, because this is where things get crazy good. The Nokia Champion Max rocks a triple camera setup, headlined by a whopping 200-megapixel primary sensor. And that's not all, it's backed by a 50-megapixel and a 10-megapixel depth sensor. And for selfie lovers, there's a 50-megapixel front camera ready to capture every detail. Performance. Under the hood, this phone is powered by the monster Snapdragon 8s Gen 4 chipset, ensuring blazing fast speeds and lag-free gaming. And guess what? It runs on the latest Android 16 OS straight out of the box. Battery. No more charging anxiety. The 8700 mAh battery keeps you going all day, and when you do need a boost, 150-watt fast charging juices it up in no time. Price and launch date. Now, the big question, how much will it cost? Well, the Nokia Champion Max 5G is expected to be priced around $550, making it a steal deal for the specs it offers. As for the launch date, there's no official confirmation yet, but rumors suggest it could hit the market by the end of this year.